XTI Aerospace has announced that the Federal Aviation Administration has selected the Texas Certification Branch Office within the FAA's Central Region for the TriFan 600 type certification program. This selection follows the FAA's acceptance of XTI's formal application for type certification of the TriFan 600, which the company received on March 17, 2025. The Texas Certification Branch Office will serve as the primary location for certification authority and approval for the TriFan 600 program. XTI will continue to collaborate with FAA subject matter experts across the United States as the company's engineering teams provide technical familiarization briefings to the FAA for the TriFan 600's major systems and subsystems. Additional briefings are scheduled with the FAA in June and July 2025, highlighting the ongoing efforts to ensure the aircraft meets the necessary certification requirements. Don Purdy, XTI's Senior Vice President for Program and Business Development, expressed enthusiasm about working with the Certification Branch Office, citing their significant capability and expertise with VTOL aircraft. Purdy emphasized that XTI and the FAA share the same objective: a safe, reliable, and well-engineered aircraft, and that the company will work collaboratively with the local Certification Branch Office and FAA subject matter experts to ensure this objective is met. Then, mark June 11th on your calendar because XTI is hosting a live investor webinar and Q&A session at 4:15 p.m. ET via RedChip Companies. The event will feature XTI's chairman and CEO, Scott Pomeroy, who will provide insight into the company's vision for transforming regional air mobility. During the webinar, attendees will learn about XTI Aerospace's plans to target an emerging market expected to be worth $9 trillion by 2050, according to Morgan Stanley. The company has already secured over $3 billion in conditional pre-orders and reservations for the TriFan 600, which is designed to bridge the gap between helicopters and regional business airplanes. Pomeroy will discuss XTI's dual revenue model, which combines its aviation program with its InPix and RTLS technology business, positioning the company for scalable growth. The webinar will also highlight recent engineering milestones and FAA certification progress, as well as the reasons behind industry leaders' backing of XTI's mission to lead the next era of powered lift aviation. A live question and answer session will follow the presentation, providing attendees with the opportunity to engage directly with Pomeroy and gain a deeper understanding of XTI Aerospace's vision, strategy, and growth prospects. The event is exclusive to investors and promises to offer valuable insights into XTI's innovative approach to regional air mobility and its potential for future growth. For more on crypto and stocks, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.